Welcome back, guys. N.R.T here. So today we'll be taking off the spark arrestor on the 250. I'm going to show you how. So there's two 10mm bolts right here. Of course, I don't have a... Is that 10? Could maybe not be 10. That one's loose. And unless you're a government sheep, the forces are going to burn anyway. So just go ahead and take these things off to block your exhaust. And just get it on out of there. Just like that. Our tax dollars are how to work over in Ukraine and letting you know the illegals come over. So we don't need to worry about if the force burns now. If it's maybe burned out, because it is going to burn down probably. Because we got no of our tax dollars. I am going to probably upset so many people by my smart ass remarks. But that's how you remove the spark arrestor on a FL250 Honda Odyssey. Pretty much the same on all quads and dirt bikes. Usually it's a couple bolts there, you pull the thing out, done. Now it's going to have a nice grown tone to it when we fire it on up. And I found a gas tank for 50 bucks for this that I bought, and that's on the way. And then I might buy another stator. I'm going to try to work on this one a little more, but if not, I'm going to buy the stator because I found a correct stator for this. The one I have is for 1980. The guy said it was 77. He clearly didn't know what he was looking at, or he lied to me on purpose. But either way, I got a whole bunch of parts in that, so it's what it is. But please subscribe, like, comment, share this video, and hopefully this is helpful. So.